Hello, everyone. My name is Abby Ingram. I am a long-term services and supports service coordination supervisor. Really long title, but essentially what I do is I supervise service coordinators who coordinate services for individuals based on a community health choice Medicaid waiver. Those are funded by Medicaid federally but are implemented in the state of Pennsylvania through DHS and three managed care organizations. I work for one of those managed care organizations as a supervisor, and we do encounter a lot of people that have a lot of mental health issues. One of the things that we find in our field is that in order to fit the eligibility criteria for a community health choice waiver, you may have a comorbidity such as diabetes or some other type of severe physical disability or some other type of severe physical illness. However, your main presenting problems are mental illness, and the community health choice waiver is kind of used as an opportunity to get some personal service in personal assistance services and for those particular participants. However, I would certainly hope in the future that there would be something more appropriate for the people whose main presenting diagnosis is mental health services in order to have more opportunity for those personal assistance services as well. With that being said, although I do encounter a lot of people who have underlying mental health issues or very prominent mental health issues, I really don't play a role in diagnosing people. I would say that the only slight role that I would ever play would be to notice particular behaviors or particular speech patterns or different ideations that a participant might present to a service coordinator or to myself. In those situations, we would notify our behavioral health team. So we use a behavioral health team in order to connect participants with behavioral health services in the community, as well as some of the larger behavioral health managed care organizations. I look forward to getting to know everyone. This seems like it's going to be a wonderful class, and I hope everybody has a great semester. Thanks so much.